I'm Aditya Sridhar. A very big announcement from the CT cell. So अभी ही notice CT cell ने निकाला है saying that MBA CT 2026 का जो first attempt था उसका question paper, आपका response sheet, आप the correct answer key and the window for objections and challenging the answer key will be starting on 2nd May. 2nd May को आपको अपना आंसर शीट मिल जाएगा विथ योर रिस्पॉन्स एंड द करेक्ट रिस्पॉन्स एंड इसके बेसिस पे आपको मिल जाएगा अपना रॉ स्कोर. At TTP, based on students' raw score, we'll collect all of this data and obviously refine our percentile predictions. And आपको एक अच्छा idea मिल जाएगा about your performance in the first attempt. This is great that CT Cell ने ये first attempt का response and answer की इतना जल्दी निकाला है before the second attempt, because from third you will get an opportunity to refine your strategy, to refine your test taking for the second attempt. So this is an amazing step by CT Cell. आप अपना second attempt improve कर सकते हो if you have this information about the first attempt. And do let me know in the comments कि आपका reaction क्या है looking at this notice. What are you feeling about the answer key being out of the first attempt on 2nd May? Do let me know in the comments below. And do subscribe to the Top Percentile YouTube channel, because all the important updates about CET, SIMSREE, JBIMS, all the colleges in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Pune, all of this will be covered on this channel. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video.